Hi guys, good morning all. Today we are going to discuss one of the easiest topic in Pandas, that is sorting. So based upon the column, based upon different value, and based upon the index, how we sort the records in Pandas data frame. So you can see we can sort the data frame based on column name, values, and index, etc. Creating a data frame, as usual, we have already seen while reading the data from a file, any type of file. So I'm creating the data frame. Here I'm reading the data from the CSV file. Let's say, for example, I have the CSV file name called sales4.csv. So I'm reading from that file and I'm creating a data frame that I'm storing into a data frame called DF. Now I'm printing, print DF. So you can see almost 30,000 records, 30,000 row and 5 columns it contains. Names are underscore ID, customer underscore name, customer underscore ID, product underscore name, then product underscore cost. Fine. Now, first we say sort by column name. Sort underscore values is a predefined method in data frame. We can sort specific column data in data frame in ascending or descending order. For example, you can see I created data frame as usual. Okay, the second line I'm talking about. Now I want to sort the value based upon the product cost. You can see, whenever I'm writing the dot sort underscore value within the bracket by is equal to product underscore cost. By means based upon which column name you want to not sort either ascending order or descending order, that I have to pass it. So here I have to sort based upon the product cost. That's why you can see the value also. The values were sorted. And by default, guys, it is ascending order. Even though I'm not writing anything, you can see it is sorted based upon the ascending order. So 50,000 is coming first, all the 50,000, then the rest of the things will come. And finally, we are able to see around 75,999. Okay? Here you can see the last column value. Similarly, and I sort based upon the customer ID. Yes, I'm just writing the same thing. Import pandas as PD. DF is equal to PD dot read underscore CSV sales4.csv. Then div dot sort underscore value by previously I have passed product underscore. Now I'm sort based upon the customer ID. That's why I'm passing by is equal to customer underscore ID. You can see customer ID data is architect. Previously, if you see the original one, this is the original one. This is not sorted. First 15 is coming, then 14, 20, then 3, then 23, 4, 3, 5, 1, something like that. Now are able to see this sorted order. First one is coming, then maybe 2 is coming, 3 is coming. That means a lot of 30,000 records are there. Cannot display all the 30,000 row in this screen, right? That's why total mark is there. The last is 25 is there. Give me a point. So now this sorted. And by default, I just told you ascending order. Okay. Similarly, you can ask me, sir, I don't want to sort in ascending order. I am sort in descending order. Could you please show me an example? Definitely, I can show you an example. Now, the next example is sort the data frame by using sort underscore values, where I'm passing ascending is equal to false. You can see same the previous example customer ID. Here I am not passing anything. That's why by default ascending order it is sorted. But here I'm passing ascending is equal to false. Ascending is equal to false means it will sort in the descending order. So the highest value is come first. Then keep on decreasing. Then last or the finally one is okay. You can see descending order. Customer ID values are sorted in the descending order. Here, very simple, guys. It is one of the easiest topic in a Pandas data frame, I guess. Similarly, example, instead of writing false, and I write 0, yes, because false means 0, true means 1. So I'm writing here, same example. Okay, start underscore values customer ID, ascending is equal to 0. Instead of writing ascending is equal to false, I'm just writing ascending is equal to 0. So descending order is sorted 25, 22, 25, then 24, 23, something like that, then on. So guys, I'm giving one homework, an assignment. Instead of ascending is equal to 0, could you please write an ascending is equal to 1? Now see whether it is ascending in the increasing order or not. Okay, just this is a homework assignment. Do it by your own. Okay. Now, by using customer name. Okay, this is a number. Looks good. We can sort either ascending order or descending order. So whatever the string value, for example, name column. In name column, all the name represent like customer name. If you want to sort based upon the customer name, then it will be sorted alphabetically order. Like first A will come, then B will come, then C will come, then the name started with B, Balaji, Balaji, Balaji. Then the name started with C. Because maybe the name started with A is not present in this data. That's why it's showing the name started with B. Then C, D, up to the name started with B. This particular data. If any value, any name, start with Z, then obviously it will show at the end Z. Okay. Very simple, guys. Clear it? Any doubt? Any doubt so far? Now, sir, can I sort based upon more than one column? Yes, obviously. That's what I'm showing here. Sort underscore values by customer underscore ID, product underscore cost. Then you can see this is customer ID, then this is product cost. Okay, based upon two different columns, I'm trying to sort the entire data. You can see the customer ID 1, 2, 3, 25. There, 50,000, 75,000, and so on. So generally, how do you work? First, it will sort based upon the customer ID. Then in the customer ID, the product cost will be sorted. For example, in the customer ID 1, again different things are there. 50,000, 55,000. Then it will be sorted. So on this example, see the entire output. Compare between the customer ID and the product cost. You'll be able to know what is the difference, what I'm talking about. Okay. Because there may be some situation. It's not like that both columns are getting sorted at the time. No. First is getting sorted based upon the customer ID. Then based upon the customer ID value, the product ID, product cost will be sorted. Okay. So look into the entire output. Once run it, demonstrate, then you get out difference. Now here, what I'm doing, sort index. So based upon the column name, I have completed. Now based upon the index, how to sort. Okay, let me create a data frame like order ID, customer name, product. 3 different column I'm taking, 3 different row I'm taking also. 1, 21, 31, then get that direction number. This same example also we have seen in the previous class. Then iPhone 11, HTC, back. Okay. Now in this value also I'm giving 555, 444, 333. Now I want to sort based upon the index. DF sort on this for index. So 333 will come, then 444 will come, then 555 will come. Now it's sorted out. See. After DF, first I'm print DF. This is one. Then I'm giving a space, print, just giving a space. Then print DF sort underscore index. So based upon the index value, I'm sorting here. Okay. The data, you can see. Okay. And with this, guys, we have completed the sorting in Pandas. This is very simple because based upon the index value, based upon the column name, there is 2 different ways how we can sort different rows present in the Pandas data. Guys, after this, I will come up with a different topic of the Pandas series. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification regarding all the latest videos that I'm going to upload in this particular channel. If you have any particular requirement regarding any technology, then you can message in the comment section so that I will come up with that video so that you will be getting benefited along with the people who are looking for that particular topic or that particular concept or the technology. They will also getting benefited. Okay, keep in touch. Okay. Keep coding. Keep doing well. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.